everyone, this is Annabelle here at Ma'am Shinang Kusina sa Amerika, and today we are making Suman Kahoy, or this is cassava dessert. So we are gonna use grated cassava, so it's another cassava dessert. And I also have a shredded fresh coconut. Just make sure to drain them. And also we're using a quarter cup of grated coconut, just a quarter cup. And then of course we're gonna use some brown sugar and a lots of banana leaves. Okay, so this is where we're gonna wrap this cassava dessert. All right, so I'll show you guys next. Right, so we'll go ahead and pour this cassava here, bigger bowl, because we're gonna mix this all together. And we'll add our fresh shredded coconut that was already been drained, and our grated coconut. You can buy this in Asian store. Okay, just a little bit there. And pretty much everything is gonna be here, and we're adding about a half cup brown sugar. It's very simple. That's it for this cassava dessert, or cassava suman. We'll mix this very well, and I'll show you guys next. All right, everyone, so we mix our cassava really good, and this is ready to wrap. So we have these banana leaves. This is where we're gonna wrap them. Okay, so what I did is I already cut them to the right size that I need. So you can grab one bigger spoon or serving spoon, pretty much just one, then drop it into these banana leaves. You don't even have to touch them, and you roll them like a lumpia. Roll them. Just like that. Then pull them on each side, because you want your cassava in the center. And you can fold it this way. Now you're gonna grab your tie, or this is the purpose of that, to tie them both at the end, so you can keep the cassava in the center. Otherwise, if you don't tie this, they're gonna be all over the place, so, and it's gonna be a big mess in your steamer. Okay, there you go. Just like that. See? Then fold again the end. Tie it. Make a bow. Just make sure it's tight. Right? So that's one of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap another one. And the next video would be after all this one that I'm gonna do. So one big spoon, roll them like a lumpia, like an egg roll. And if your cassava leaves is too long, you can cut them. I think I cut them pretty big, but you can always cut them. Then fold one side over and then the other side. Then you can grab that piece. This tie, this is also a cassava leaves. It's from those unused or leftover cassava leaves, so you can use them. Okay, let me grab that. Just take your time. Doesn't have to be really perfect. Okay, there you go. Then we love this dessert in this house. So if you saw my video on the cassava cake, this is really different because we have to use the banana leaves and it doesn't have a lot of ingredients, just like the cassava cake. So this is easy ingredients. Just the wrapping part may be a little bit difficult, but it's easy. All right, so I will show you guys once I'm done with all this fun, exciting wrapping of this cassava. All right, so guys, this is the last one. Just want to show you guys. I made about 12 cassava, Suman Cassava, with this 1 pack of shredded cassava. So it depends how big is the spoon you're gonna use. I use a really big one. This is a serving spoon. So if you're gonna use a smaller, you can probably make about 16 to 18 cassava roll. So like I said, depends how big the spoon you're going to use. So yay, this is the last one. And there's only 3 of us here, so 12 is okay. I always make this anyway, so we can always make another batch if we want to. And my water is ready and it's boiling right now. So if you guys also want to do that, is prepare everything. And here's my steamer that I use. Here you go. And I'll show you guys next. So our steamer is ready. It's boiling. And we're now gonna steam our cassava. We'll steam this for about an hour. And I'll show you guys when they're ready. And we're ready to eat them. Alright guys, so after an hour, here we go. I just turned the stove off and this is pretty good here. It's ready. Alright, I'll show you guys once I open the leaves, banana leaves. Yay, our cassava is ready. Alright, so here we go. We'll taste this cassava. Have a coffee. I'm brewing some coffee right now. Yay! You guys will like this. So, I like it. It's not too sweet, and the shredded coconut is really good. Like that. All right. So, I'll see you guys again on my next video. And please subscribe and share. Thank you.